Joni?
I'm Joan.
I'm Harry.
And wine is always good.
Hit that describe button. What, describe button?
Subscribe
button. And follow us if you want. We have lots of fun. But anyway, today we are doing a recipe on foraging on Mount Etna. And Mount Etna, as you know, in the past, 400 or 500 years ago, it ripped that island apart.
Yeah, 1669 was the big blow.
But since then, Mother Etna has been giving back
Ash.
Yes. But in what? Not in ash.
But in very fine particles.
Yes.
It's not like an ash, like in from a fireplace. It's more like a pebbly or a sand kind of thing. And it's black, but it's easily swept away. Like you can just, like it doesn't absorb into anything. It's clean,
it's just black.
Sort of, if you can imagine.
Yes.
But it absorbs into the soil, and it absorbs into our beautiful vineyard that we planted.
And the gardens.
And the gardens, and all the wild herbs, and
the vegetables that you buy there are just
horrible.
But today the recipe is. We went out foraging when we were there on Mount Etna.
Yep.
Asparagus, sorrel, rosemary, and berries, and then
plums, and figs, and
the plums and figs we're going to do next time. But this time it's eggs.
Yeah.
Fresh eggs. And I'll show you how to do fresh eggs scrambled with wild asparagus. And it is unbelievably amazing. And the recipe I'm using is, doing the scrambled eggs, I'm doing more of Gino Di Capio.
He's an Italian chef.
Yeah, he's Italian. He lives he lives
Sardinia.
Mostly in London, but he has a place in Sardinia where he can.
Right, exactly.
And I'll show you how to do scrambled eggs. You'll never do scrambled eggs ever again. Different than what I'm going to show you.
Yeah, it's a very unique, very simple technique.
And it is fantastic.
Yes, we love it.
Yes. And so...
I'm salivating already.
The big thing is, what does Mount Etna give back? More than it takes.
Yes, true.
And that's the whole key.
Cheers.
And cheers.
Cheers.
Ciao. Look at the goodies I got, Jody.
Ooh, what have you been? You've been in the garden picking?
Well, no, in the forest.
In the forest?
I got. Look at this. This is sorrel.
Ooh.
And
growing wild in the.
Yes.
On the yard.
And I went to the chicken coop. Got eggs. I got, of course, more wild asparagus, but look. Of course, the rosemary grows everywhere. But
yeah, a little bit of rosemary.
Look at this. Oh. Look. We have figs in the basket, fresh plums. Now Joni's going to put in some fresh eggs. We cleaned. We got to wash everything anyway, so.
Yeah. I'll bring some down to Orizio and Loredana.
Yeah, go clean them.
There's some French
people up on top.
People up in Bitula.
Yeah.
In the next cottage.
Yeah. Look at these figs. just finished cleaning the eggs. Now I'm doing the figs, and the next I'm going to do the plums. And then I do it like in one bowl here, and then I put it in the next bowl. So that's a double wash.
Wonderful.
And then we're going to take some of these eggs down for Loredana. But this is just marvelous.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We have our own orchard right behind us. The eggs and the chickens. Ha!
It's crazy. We're farmers. No, like organic farmers.
Organic, yeah.
Hobby farmers.
Hobby farmers. Ciao.
Ciao.
Wine's always good. So I just did Gino De Campio's style 4 eggs into the pan. Nothing.
Just
No
plain.
oil, no nothing.
Yeah.
You put them in
Just
and keep
eggs.
stirring them, and not too much, okay?
Yeah.
So now I put in the oil, the olive oil, and my sauce that I was making with which has rosemary, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of the red peppers in here. And this just sort of is going to simmer for a bit. Doesn't have to be too long. And then I'm going to put that, mix that into the eggs.
It's going to be wonderful.
And you never put salt or pepper in before, you always marinate at the end,
Okay.
because otherwise it turns gray, the eggs. Ciao.
Good to know. Ciao.
Wild asparagus that we just picked outside. And just putting a little bit in there. And that's all you need, a little bit like that. It's going to be so good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bread that we made, that Pepe made yesterday. I'm just going to put that in there and just warm that up a little bit.
Nice.
Yeah. And then it's not too much. You know? You
It's just a
don't- you
light
don't need-
breakfast.
Yeah. You don't need a whole lot of stuff. Ciao. One of our favorites. Oh yeah. Oh, these eggs. Fresh.
How are they?
Oh,
Just very, very simple. Eggs, rosemary, asparagus.
salty.
Wild asparagus.
no salt.
Wow.
Ciao. This is gonna be fun.
This is going to be a amazing ride.